Hello guys, welcome back. So today is a special video because it's gonna be a bit longer, maybe, but most cool thing, I got this package now, so I'm super ready to show you guys what it is, and then we will talk about how it was in Thailand for 3 months. So I'm super excited to show you guys what this is because I've been waiting for such a long time. Let's go. Don't you all just love these? Like, I know you do. Okay, big reveal. Ooh, nice case. This is amazing. But, oh yes, it's the Weebill S. I feel I really need a new thing for my company that I'm actually making now. So having a startup, doing all this filmmaking and photography, I do need some more professional gear. So I started up with this Weebill S, which I will make a video about in the future when I actually get home. So why don't we just continue the thing that we are talking about? Back to the real stuff again. Is it really worth it to travel to Thailand right now? Well, the short answer is actually yes, but why talk about the short answer when we can have more fun doing the longer one? Like the beautiful environment and the people that is here, like they never stop to amaze me. And all the cities and all the small towns are just amazing. It is a bit more quiet nowadays than it has been before. So I would say like traveling here now is not like how it used to be. There's so much less people around. Some places are even closed because of the pandemic that is around. So there is a lot of factors playing into how the place is right now, if you understand how I mean. But it's still super amazing to be here. So 3 months here in Thailand has been like an amazing experience for me. It has been really nice. And I think I've been on almost every tour that you can be on here in Phuket. I haven't even made videos about half of them, but there's so many and they're so good. I even visited the Surin Islands now like a few days ago, and also Similan Islands I've been at, which is the perfect place for you who loves snorkeling or just want to be on a boat ride that takes you to a place you will never see again basically, and it's the best place to snorkel in the whole Thailand. So if you watching are interested in actually coming to Thailand, I do want to say yes, do it. Because even if it's your first time, maybe it's with your family, traveling alone, with friends, anything will fit. However you do it, it's gonna be really nice. Going through all the paperwork and everything that needs to be done before, it can be a hassle, but it's still so much worth it when you're actually done with it. And I actually have a video that you can check up here. That one will go through a little bit of a quick guide how you can apply for everything and what you need to come to Thailand. So it's like a really nice quick guide to see an overview of everything you need to do to be approved and come down here. And my adventure soon stops here in Thailand, which is pretty sad, but I am gonna go home to Sweden again for a short while before I continue my adventures once again for a couple of months, and it's gonna be really nice to tell you guys what these different places will be, and I'm super excited for what this year has to offer. There is so many things happening, and I just love to take you guys with me on all of these adventures while teaching you guys about everything that I can see and do with my cameras. So while talking about that, as you saw in the beginning of this video, I did buy a new gimbal, and I will tell you everything about that one when I actually come back to Sweden. Before that, I will actually have time to make one more video, I think. Yeah, one more video before I actually leave Thailand. So I will probably edit that one on the flight home, which is gonna be pretty cool. Try something new and edit a video on the flight. And also there's so much more stuff waiting at home in Sweden, so I will unpack those also and show you guys everything. There is some new lenses for the camera, so we can upgrade the arsenal even more. Until then, I want to wish you everyone a really good day and take care, and I'm super grateful for having everyone watching my videos. See you soon again. Bye.